Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to build a simple website with Appy Pie. Use the link to Appy Pie in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website. Appy Pie is a popular platform that allows users to create websites, among other things, without needing any coding knowledge. Here's a basic guide to building a simple website using Appy Pie. Once logged in, navigate to the Website Builder section. You may find it under the Products or Services section, depending on how Appy Pie organizes its interface. Browse through the available templates and choose one that suits your needs. Appy Pie offers a variety of templates for different types of websites, such as businesses, portfolios, blogs, etc. After selecting a template, you'll be taken to the website editor. Here, you can customize various elements of your website, including text, images, colors, and layout. You can simply click on an element to edit it. Depending on the complexity of your website, you may want to add multiple pages. Common pages include Home, About Us, Services, Contact, etc. Use the website editor to add and customize these pages. Appy Pie often offers integrations with various features like contact forms, social media widgets, galleries, etc. You can add these features to your website from the editor's interface. Once you've customized your website to your liking, it's essential to preview and test it. Make sure everything looks and works as expected on different devices. After you're satisfied with your website, it's time to publish it. Appy Pie usually provides the option to publish your website directly through the editor. Follow the prompts to make your website live on the internet. Appy Pie offers several pricing plans tailored to different needs. However, keep in mind that pricing and plans may have changed since then. Here's a general overview of their pricing structure. A free plan typically allows you to create basic apps with limited features. It's a good starting point for small projects or for testing out the platform. The basic plan, at $16 per month, usually offers more features and customization options compared to the free plan. It's suitable for individuals or small businesses looking to create simple apps. The gold plan at $36 usually provides advanced features and functionalities, including e-commerce capabilities, push notifications, and more. It's suitable for businesses that require more robust app development tools. The Platinum plan at $60 usually offers the most comprehensive set of features, including priority support, white labeling options, and additional integrations. It's ideal for businesses with more complex app development needs. Enterprise plan for large organizations or enterprises. Appy Pie typically offers custom pricing and tailored solutions to meet specific requirements. This plan may include dedicated account management, advanced security features, and other enterprise-grade functionalities. Don't forget to use the link to Appy Pie in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website.